Hey, OMMA licensed business owners, let's talk about litigation and how much it costs to defend your license from an OMMA revocation. A revocation will come through, or a finding of fees, or some other thing will come through as a petition from OMMA. It will go before an administrative law court, and we will go through all the typical phases of litigation. We're going to go through discovery, we're going to go through motions, we're going to go through communication patterns. This is not, it is not as in depth of a procedure as you would necessarily see in civil litigation. More akin to more of a criminal situation where we're going to ask those discovery questions. We're not going to be fighting about it as much. Anybody who's done normal litigation will know that discovery can be some of the slowest parts of litigation, and also some of the more expensive parts of litigation. There is, after we get that discovery done, we'll do pre-trial disclosures, do witness exhibits. We're going to get ready for trial. That trial date will come forward. We'll have a judge. We'll have the other side, just like a courtroom. We're going to be looking at between $5,000 to $10,000 in costs for the average Oklahoma attorney. This is going to be per license. This also becomes a question of when the fines are assessed, when all of the costs are added up. Is it going to make more sense to try to keep that license, or is it make more sense to try to settle, give up the license, pay fines and fees, etc., as early as possible? This is part of the discussion that you should be having with any attorney that's representing you in this space. The financial impact to a business is extremely strong. You may not have a revocation of the ability to process or to use your license until we have a hearing on that matter, and it could be revoked, or it could be temporarily allowed until we're finally through with trial. It's facts intensive. That all goes into the costs associated with this, and of course OB&DD, etc., comes into play. So when you come to me and ask me how much it's going to cost, there's going to be a lot of discussion, and there's also going to be a lot of discussion on what it'll cost to get a new license, or transfer a new license, or to get you into a different spot. What fines and fees are they trying to ask for? What level can we negotiate them down to? Those are questions that we're going to be talking about and focusing on as I represent you in this process. OB&DD revocations are the same way. If we're going to hearing and we're trying to fight to keep that OB&DD registration for certificate of occupancy or any other reason, sometimes it makes more sense to surrender. But that requires you to get rid of all of your stock. So getting rid of your stock earlier before we get into the revocation and a reapplication for OB&DD also matters. There's no guarantee about what is the best financial decision. Each case, each matter is its own analysis, and we will talk about it quite a bit when you sign up here at Worth Law Office. As a cannabis attorney and a business-focused attorney, this is business. You're meant to be making money, and I'm going to try to make sure that you're making as much money as often without interruption as you can, and trying to get you back into the game as quickly as possible. So if you have any questions about either an OMMA petition or OB&DD petition, give us a call here at Worth Law Office. We'd love to talk to you about it. Stay safe, stay legal.